Good afternoon and welcome to Financial Booklet. It is Monday, January 12th, 2026. I'm your host, and today we are tracking a rebound in U.S. equity markets, significant regulatory developments regarding the Federal Reserve, and a surge in privacy-focused digital assets. Let's dive straight into the data and the events shaping the financial landscape today. Starting with the broader economy, U.S. stocks have regained ground following an initial pullback earlier in the session. While the Nasdaq and other major indices stabilize, data from Goldman Sachs's consumer dashboard suggests the economy is continuing in a K-shaped trajectory, highlighting a widening divide between different segments of the consumer base. On the labor front, reports indicate that productivity gains are currently fueling U.S. growth, even as hiring rates begin to slow. However, the major headline affecting market sentiment involves the Federal Reserve. Markets are reacting to news that the Department of Justice is targeting the Fed Chair Jerome Powell in a probe. This investigation has raised discussions regarding Federal Reserve independence, with stock futures slipping and precious metals like gold and silver seeing movement in response to the uncertainty. Turning to commodities and global affairs, oil prices are on the rise today. This upward pressure comes as reports surface of a crackdown on protests in Iran, leading to speculation that Tehran fears security threats to the regime. In political news affecting the charts, the Financial Times released data highlighting how Donald Trump's recent activities are continuing to cause whipsaw movement across various market sectors. In the technology and corporate sector, the platform X is reportedly building a smart cash tags feature. This tool is designed to track crypto and stock prices directly within the app, with a rollout expected next month. In the biotech space, Kura Oncology has reported $2.1 million in initial sales for its Komzifti product, securing a $195 million milestone payment. Moving into the digital asset space, regulatory pressures remain a central theme. A new report identified U.S. government pressure as a leading cause of debanking within the industry. At the state level, Tennessee has ordered betting platforms Kalshi, Polymarket, and crypto.com to cease sports betting contracts. Meanwhile, across the Atlantic, the UK regulator announced it will start accepting applications for its new crypto licensing regime this coming September. In Asia, the South Korean Supreme Court affirmed that Bitcoin held on exchanges can be legally seized, setting a significant legal precedent for the region. Finally, looking at price action and infrastructure in the crypto markets, it has been a mixed start to the week. Crypto exchange-traded products posted $454 million in outflows, with Bitcoin leading those losses. However, a different trend is emerging in privacy coins. Monero set a new record price today as the privacy trade re-emerges, with the asset breaking its all-time high. On the network side, the Starknet team published a post-mortem report outlining the root causes of a recent network outage. Additionally, Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin made headlines by backing a convicted developer, calling privacy an essential protection. That wraps up your financial market update for Monday, January 12th, 2026. We will continue to monitor the situation with the Federal Reserve and the developing geopolitical factors influencing oil prices. Thank you for watching Financial Booklet. Be sure to check the description for links to all the stories covered today. We'll see you in the next update.